¿Alguna otra pregunta? ¿Comentario?
We're coming from STC to let people know that we're part of the community and we're bringing in programs that we're offering.
Que si no están yendo a la escuela, están en casa.
We try to make sure that whatever we're offering, that is something that can grow our parents so that they can also in turn not only do it for fun, but also to provide as an extra means of providing for their family.
The community doesn't know or they're not aware of what programs we have, if there's free programs or any kind of grants. And right now we have grants that we're offering. A lot of programs from truck driving, phlebotomy, EKG, welding, CPR, and this is for anyone out there in the community. They don't have to be a PSJ parent. It's anyone out there in the community who wants to take training, who wants to have a progress in life. We're here to help. Invest in yourself for a brighter future.